Good morning, everybody. This is Jeff with Zama Carburetors. I'd like to introduce a new product we're offering. It's the Zama maintenance kit. But first, before I get into this wonderful kit, I would like to thank everybody that subscribes to this Zama channel. We try to be as informative as possible, give you accurate information. If you ever need anything, you can contact me directly at aftersales@zamacorp.com. I usually respond to emails within a matter of hours or by the next day. So let me get to this kit. This maintenance kit comes in a hard protective case, plastic case. Inside, you're going to have a 0 to 15 psi pressure gauge, carb assembly stand. This carb assembly stand is only available in this kit currently. You'll also get a Z gauge for checking your meter and lever height. You'll get an adapter, a hose adapter that goes with the pressure gauge, a hose. You'll still need an additional piece of hose depending on what size of connector you have on your carburetor. The kit also comes with instructions for the pressure gauge and shows the features and how to operate the carb assembly stand. This carb assembly stand is unique to the industry. We are the only ones offering anything like this. It is a versatile tool that will work pretty much on any model of 2-cycle carburetor. What we recommend is you placing this in a vise or using a C-clamp to attach it to your work table to provide added stability. You take a carburetor, any 2-cycle carburetor, it'll fit on the stand. You take a 3mm wrench, Allen wrench, loosen the main pin, pull out the secondary pin. It will rotate to any position you need it to be. Tighten it up. It works like a third hand. It really makes it very useful. It helps when installing metering levers, pins, stuff of that nature, especially if you have a little bit of a shake in your hand like I do. It works wonders. This kit list price is $135.14. It's available from any Zama distributor. I hope you will look into it. It's a wonderful thing. It makes a great set of tools. If you need me, I'm at aftersales, zamacorp.com. Thank you.